Hi, Moses Lake High School students. This is your counseling team here, and today for this first video, we're going to be going over exploring the course catalog and choosing classes in preparation for registering for next school year. So right now I am on the high school website. I went to the counseling tab right here and then registration and scheduling, and it'll bring you to this web page. If you scroll down right here on the right hand side, it says download course catalog. You're going to click on that and it will take you to the high school course catalog. So we're going to explore this a little bit today, and we're going to get ready to choose classes for next school year and find out what's available to you. So right here on page 3 is the table of contents. This page is really good to know about because it says everything that's in the course catalog, and all of it has links. So it'll take you right where you need to go. So for example, if you want to look at art classes, you can choose on this link and it'll take you right to all the art classes. But let's go through the course catalog a little bit. It has a lot of great and important information in it. So right here is the graduation requirement. So go ahead and look at this page. It'll tell you what you need in order to graduate. So start thinking about what you have left. In the next video, we're actually going to talk about your own personal requirements, but this page is really good to start looking at what you have left in order to take to graduate. Okay, so we keep scrolling down. A lot of great information in here. So right here is post-secondary information. So right here is going to have a lot of information on interested in going into any college programs, what you need, and things like that. Lots of information on that. Requirements. If you keep scrolling down after the post-secondary information, I definitely encourage you guys to take a look at that. Here's some more information on registration and scheduling. I encourage you to look at this page with your parents to start thinking about registration information and building a schedule for next school year. Keep scrolling down. So right here is really important. So these are sample four-year course plans in high school. So this first sample is a standard university plan. So if you plan on going to college for your university, these are the classes that you should be in and taking in order to get into a four-year university. You keep scrolling down. This four-year course plan right here is sample 2, community, tech college, military, or job ready plan. These are the courses that you need to take in order to graduate and go into that plan. And then if you keep scrolling down, this last sample is a four-year university or four-year high school plan for any competitive university. So if your plan is to go to UW, Stanford, apply to Ivy League, these are the classes that you should be enrolled in order to prepare yourself to get into that plan. Okay, so if we keep scrolling down, here is a really good section about dual credit opportunities and opportunities here at the high school. So there's some information on running START, CTE, and right here, here's some information about if you're interested in CB Tech and taking you to their website. There's a lot of information on different programs here in the high school. And if we scroll down a little bit more, ROTC, athletics page, and then this is about registration that we'll get into more later. Right here is the list of courses that you can take here at the high school. So this has all the lists of currently classes that you can take. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop back up to the table of contents. So like I said, you can click on any one of these links for these departments and it'll take you to the list of all of these classes. So let's go ahead and click on science. So let's say that you're interested in taking a physics class. So you're going to go ahead and click on physics. It'll take you to the class. Here's a description of what that class is. And really important to pay attention to is the prerequisites right here. So this is what you must take or be enrolled in to be able to be eligible to take this class. So to take physics, you must have passed Algebra 2 or be currently enrolled in Algebra 2. You can take it 9th through 12th grade. It is 2 semesters long, meaning it is a year-long course. Here's the credit that you can get from it. You get 1 credit of lab science or 1 credit of elective. This CADR means it's a cater, which means it meets college entrance requirements, your science requirements for a university. Right here is the course code. So when you go to register, you're going to put in this code into the registration sheet, SC1211 and then SC1212. It's an A and B course, which means you must take the B and the A. It is a year-long course. Any course that has an A and B, you must take. So that's physics. Let's do another science example. So if we go up here, let's choose vet science. So you're interested in taking the vet science class. It has a description right here. Another important thing to pay attention to is the prereq. So to get into vet science, you must have already passed animal science, and you must be currently enrolled in your other science pathway courses for grade 10. So this class is offered to 10th through 12th graders. It's 2 semesters long, remember, an A and a B. So if you take first semester, you must take second semester. You can get 1 credit of CTE. You can get 1 credit of lab science or elective, and it meets your CATER. It is semester 1 and a semester 2 course. Okay, so I just encourage you guys to look through the course guide, give it a lot of thought, and pay attention to different classes you want to take. Really pay attention to the prerequisites of taking that class, and start thinking about what classes you're interested in for registration. So the next video, we're actually going to go over your 4-year course plan in your high school and beyond plan, so you know what courses you need to take to satisfy your own personal graduation requirements. But for now, that's the end of this video going over the course guide. So go ahead and give it a look over.